it's Claire from Diamond Painting Nerd and welcome to a little unboxing. So the guys at Fgnormal reached out to me and asked if I would like to review some of their products, and I've seen so many unboxings from Fgnormal, so I thought I'd give it a go. So I have opened the package because I've got a few PR packages coming in, so I just need to check which one this was, and I can confirm this one is from Fgnormal. So I picked out 3 bits from them to show you. Get it out of the rustly bag. So I chose a diamond painting, some storage, and another really fun item because I'm a proper geek. So I'll show you that one last because I'm really excited about that one. So let's have a look. Let's have a look at the storage first. So I absolutely love my art dot storage. You guys know that, but I am at full capacity. I've got kits and everything used up in those. Now, what I find is when I have special drill kits, not special drill kits, but special paint projects or paintings that often come with very few colours, that actually a 30 pot plus case isn't needed. So I saw this on the Fgnormal website and it's a little 15 pot case. It's slightly different to anything that I've already got, so I thought I would give it a go. So it's got a nice strong clip on the outside here, and then inside there are 15 little boxes, and I wondered if this would be any good for where I'm doing like a specials project. To be fair, that clip is nice and tight, so no worries about drills falling out, and there's no gapping, because that's sometimes the problem with the kind of the cheaper, smaller cases. I will leave the products linked in the description box down below. If there's any discount code been provided, I'll leave that down below as well, and along with prices. So I'll have a look at the prices as of today, and then I'll pop those in the description. So yeah, just really happy with that. So there's 15 little pots. What does annoy me, excuse me, is that they're not all the right way up. So I'm just going to spend a second to flip them all the right way. Oh, okay. I didn't even notice that in the bottom there are actually labels as well. That's quite handy. Let's get those out. So there's quite a few labels included in this as well, so thank you very much, Fgnormal. This looks like it's going to do the trick on those kits that have got less than 15 colours. Generally not a diamond painting, but more, like I said, a specials project. So I'm really happy with that. So that's perfect. So that will go in with my storage. So that's item number 1. And then I picked out a diamond painting. So this one, I can't even remember what I picked out, but we'll have a look together. This one is 40 by 50. Let's get it out of the wrapper. And see if I can get this all in shot. There we are. So this is the canvas that I've chosen. Now I'm really loving some of the landscape pictures that I'm seeing, and I saw this landscape one and I just thought it was really pretty. So we've got the cabin, like a log cabin, and there's a lighthouse, and I think this is the shore, because you've got a boat here, loads of kind of coral and the sand. I just thought it was really pretty when I saw it, so I chose this one. I'm just gonna pull that plastic back just to get rid of some of those bubbles. It's not bubbles in the adhesive, it's just air bubbles underneath the plastic. So that canvas is laying lovely and flat, so you know, seeing as it's been transported halfway around the world, it's actually not in too bad a condition. It is the scratchy kind of oil canvas that we're used to with the budget paintings, but that's absolutely fine. It's not too thin. The plastic cover is generally quite a thin one on the budget paintings. I'll just check the... Yeah, no issue with the stick on that at all. And the drill field is lovely and clear too. So shouldn't have any issues with seeing that. So there are a total of 29 colours in this painting. We have the Legend top and bottom, and this is a square drill kit. So you get the standard toolkit with your pen, your tray and your wax. Now let's have a look at the drills. Get these out of the Russellies. There we go. So yeah, 29 colours in total. And it's nice to see that some of the budget painting companies are actually coming through with square drill kits now, because I know typically when I started buying, when I first started, generally I was just buying budget kits, and it was all rounds. So it's really nice to see some square kits coming through. These are acrylic drills. I can see dimples in the bottom, but to be fair, I've had some really decent acrylic drills that you would never tell the difference between acrylic and resin, apart from obviously the flaw in the bottom versus the top. So let's take a look at the colours that we have here. So we have some pinks, which will probably be for the sky, I would imagine, up here. Purple, brown, black, 310. It doesn't have the DMC code on the bag, that's fine. Some grey, blue, purple, lilac, orange, a few different shades of orange and yellow there. I think again that's going to be some lovely rendering in the sky up here. And we've got purpley brown, blue, lovely, love that colour. Some more blues, as you'd imagine, because we've got the sea in here, some green and some brown. Then we have the second train of drills. We have this peachy colour. I'm not sure where that's going to go. That might be up in the sky as well. A light orange, some green, blue, grey, this lemon buttery yellow colour, let's call it that. Brown, purple, and a couple of shades of purpley brown on the end there, mauve, I would say. So the drills look to be really good quality. I can't see much, if any, trash in there at all. The facets on top look to be quite good as well, because I have noticed on some, especially the round ones, they look quite flat without many facets. So these square ones look really good. So yeah, another one that I am excited to do. It's a 40 by 50, so it won't take too long, but I have many kits in my stash that I need to get through. So this may be one for this year. If not, it will just go in my stash and I'll get to it when I can, or when I'm feeling like I want to do a landscape painting. So really pleased with that. No ABs in this kit, just standard, just your standard DMC colours. But the DMC codes do exist on the canvas as well. So again, I can use those drills and kit down into my storage with any leftovers. So that is number 2. So painting and a storage box. And then the final thing, like I said, because I'm a proper geek, is this. I was so excited when I saw this on the website. So I used to love watching WWE wrestling. And when I saw this on the website, I had to get it. So this is an acrylic project. So this is on acrylic. I couldn't really tell on the website what it actually was. I thought it was just a canvas, but it's not. It's an acrylic piece. And it's one of the, so it's the Divas title belt. And I had to get it. So I was so excited when I saw that they had this. And this is probably going to be one of my next projects that I do, because I just want to get it done. So we have, it's single-sided. So we have the film just covering up the front there, and I'll probably seal this one once I've completed it. And then on the back, there's also a cover to remove the back as well. There's just a protective cover on there at the moment. I love this. Now they've got several different ones of these. They've got the Divas one, they've got the World Championship one. I think they've got 4 or 5 different ones. So if you or anyone is into wrestling, then these are fab. So you get the standard toolkit again with this, and then the drills that you get included in this one. Let's have a little look. It looks like there's some special drills in here. So there are a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we have the standard clear silver crystals, your standard 310 black. These are round drills. Then we have this red, pinky red colour, which might be more of a, I think it's more red actually. Then we have this light pink. So these are all your standard crystals and drills. Then we have some specials. So there are some pink hearts. And where are those going to go? So those are on the middle of the belt here. Then we have some teardrops, and those are also on, there's 3 of those on the belt. And then we have these marquees with an AB coating by the looks of things. Just standard clear with an AB coating. And those are going to go, I'm not sure, C. Where is C? So that's in the middle of the belt here as well. So just some accents around here. So I might even do this tonight. So this is going to be perfect. There are, how many colours did I say? 7 colours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have to count them because it goes up to 4 and then it goes into A, B and C. So yeah, there's 7. I've got 15 boxes here, so I can easily kit them up into that. Sometimes with specials, I just work out of the bag. So I just tip these out into a tray, do all of this colour. But if I get distracted halfway through, then I end up with drills left out. So I'd rather just have it kitted up somewhere. And it's just easier to kit down afterwards as well. So I think the only difference is that I suppose they're crystals, so they wouldn't have DMC codes anyway. And I know that that's a 310 black. So any leftovers I can pop into my stash. And these black ones are super shiny as well. They've got a lot of facets on top. Which is what I was saying about round drills. They don't always, but these look like they've got quite a few facets on, so these should sparkle. So I'm super impressed. I love this. I cannot wait to get this one done. There's no stand or anything with it. So you could always, if you're going to mount it, you could always use command strips to mount it onto a wall, or stick it to something else. I suppose the choice is yours then. So thank you very much to Fgnormal for sending these items for review. I love the canvas. I love the smaller storage as well. That's going to be really helpful. And I also love my Divas wrestling belt. So thanks very much for joining me for today's unboxing. If you have enjoyed the video, if you do continue to enjoy these unboxings, please do give the video a thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you are a wrestling fan and who your favourite wrestler is, or if you've got any wrestling fans in the family, because I think that I've seen so many different things in terms of specials projects, but I've never seen anything like this. So I'm really excited. So let me know if you are also interested in getting this, because I love it. And I'll share a completion review hopefully once I've got this finished. And yeah, if you are new, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and everyone can hit the bell notification, and then you'll be notified when I next put a video up. And I'll see you all again in the next video. Bye.